good? It's your favorite DJ Apex, and I'm not alone, guys. I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady Dan. You know what it is.
Oh yeah, guys. Anyazi bafethu, it's What's Poppin' time, episode 7. We came back again. Sorry for the delays, guys. We still had a lot of content to deal with, and we had some other plans, some personal plans that we had to do. So we came back for you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe on both our main channels. First, Lady N, and then the other channel, it's Apex Wave Studios. Lady N and Apex Wave Studios.
Please, guys.
Oh yeah, let's get straight to it, guys. Oh yeah, we have Kabza. Kabza confirms the release of King of Amapiano Part 3 bafethu. Album lakhe, the biggest one ezayo bafethu. Mangabe niyazi kuwa 2 or kuwa 1 bafethu.
Guys.
Ungayazi ngicela buyele emuva before Mameli Part 3.
Yeah.
I really love the cover ye Part 2 because ngathi uyazenza isangoma la. The cover yakhona, yeah.
It's really like dope.
Yeah, nice one. Yeah. So Kabza, shout out bafethu.
Shout out and
Danko.
targets.
Alright, we have another segment bafethu. Spethu Xtapi. Xtapi builds a new home for his family.
Guys.
Yo, Lampana pushile. Yes.
Yo, like yazi mangisiza story sakhe like yo, ngivele ngaba emotional at the same time ngaba happy because like akazange akhohle lapho uma khona, azange akhohle umndeni wakhe. Like you know guys, abanye abantu like mase baphumelele abasabheke emuva la baphuma khona, baqhubeka nje ngendlela. You understand? So what he did, like yo guys, yo inkosi iqhubeke imbusise la athatha khona because yo lento ayenzile guys, yo akusinomobani.
Yeah, it's so wonderful. Yeah, it's so wonderful. Shout out to the Prince of Amapiano bafethu, Xtapi.
Shout out.
It's like kuyabonisa ivari like ukuthi usuka va and akazange abavalele ekhaya. Yeah, so shout out to Xtapi bafethu. Ngiyamfana ngiyamphakamsela yo. Yeah. So bafethu siphethe ezinye izibuhlungu on this other segment. So Cowboy alerts abantu regarding a Bolt scam. There was a driver that went away with someone's medication, and the guy did not deliver the medication. So like, guy, why? We have your screenshots, guy. I'm gonna post the screenshots. Sim expose the driver.
Like why? Like yazi inhliziyo enje like unesibindi shame, to be honest. Like if like yazi bafethu like into moyenza zifake esicathulweni zakaloyo muntu loyo ukuthi if lento beyingawe wena bozofila kanjani. Like abantu like banenhliziyo ezimbi la ngaphandle guys, like futhi nje laba abantu bama Bolt sebaphuma endleleni nje, to be honest.
Yeah, kahle. Like nje yo, this guy we're gonna expose this guy bafethu. Ngicela ngiceive some right from this guy bafethu because yo nana nganifaka enkingeni bafethu. Yeah, ish. Alright, we have Babalo M. Babalo M dominates as the most streamed female artist on Spotify as of January this year.
Wow.
Yo, like wow. Shout out to Babalo. Yo.
Clock it, Babala. Clock it.
And I mean, I know one day Lady N is gonna be one of the most streamed female artists.
Oh yeah.
Nipegeni. Nipegeni. My haters azosha. Danko. Alright, bafethu. This was a nice episode. So we have the conclusion. Now we're gonna be getting straight to the conclusion, bafethu. Conclusion yethu uYoungstana to release a 6-track EP soon nje. So also sky track list bafethu manje ngisikudala. Nibhekeni bafethu. Abakhuluma kabi ngoStana, valani imilomo.
Stay tuned nje. Into emele niyenze, you need to stay tuned as always, guys.
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, nathi we have ingoma esingakayirelease.
Yeah.
So nje please watch our reels, like we post them on YouTube. So nakanjani guys, nibe updated ukuthi nje mase sikhipha seni away.
Yeah, bafethu. Yeah, mangabe aninayo YouTube, mara ngeke uhlale unganayo YouTube. Ungasibheka ku Facebook bafethu on Nompendulo Msibi, and then our other account it's Spesihle Ngwenya. That's where we post like skits and stuff, promo videos, you name it.
Also on TikTok.
Oh yeah, on TikTok it's Lady Nompendulo. and then we have the other account, which is Spacey Hlengweni.
So like guys, if like you want to see ukuthi like uyabona kwesinye isikhathi umuntu unokutype ngendlela type ngendlela, so sizonibonisa guys.
We are with you guys every step of the way. So nani bafethu, please stay with us and please subscribe. In order for you guys to keep on nhamba nathi, like subscribe guys, so that uzo notify when we drop the content. Please guys. Oh yeah guys, sizonibona bafethu next week. Stay tuned and keep on watching what's popping. Ngicela ngiqaleni ku first episode nize nayo kanje bafethu. The show le inswembo bafethu, inswembo.
Love you all.
D'accord.